Did Bitcoin just pump to 30K? Look at this. Look at this line right here. This is unbelievable. I woke up this morning in Bali and saw this, what is going on with this candle here? Apparently we pumped to 30K and we just dropped right back down. But we're still in a pretty bullish position. Let's look at what the news says today. All right, let me go back. Here's the news. The ripple effects of spot market Bitcoin ETF. The SEC issues major warning after fake Bitcoin ETF rumors. Bitcoin pairs after BlackRock says ETF application under review. Let's go to this article. So, looks like there's been some misinformation. Was this an inside job? Did somebody plan this? I wouldn't be surprised, honestly. But regardless of any conspiracy theories, this is just what happened. Apparently, Cointelegraph posted that the Bitcoin ETF with BlackRock was approved, and then they added afterwards the word reportedly. They said, oh, whoops, reportedly that's what happened. Now it's interesting because Cointelegraph, I believe, is owned by, what is the company? It's owned by the company that owns Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. I forgot what the name of the company is. So I'm wondering if there's some foul play or some conspiracies on why they did this. But let's look. If there is an inside job, this would be why. So will this affect the Bitcoin ETF approval chances? This misinformation saga led to sharp uptick in Bitcoin's price, went all the way up to 30K, but then it dropped back down. So one thing, this person on Bitfinex on Twitter or X makes a good point. They say, well, now the SEC knows there was a fake Bitcoin spot approval market manipulation pump that they can cite in the next spot Bitcoin ETF denial, which helps them deny the applications again because they can show manipulation of the underlying market. Great job, guys. So, I mean, yeah, this could be some kind of an inside job sort of thing where they're trying to just push things off even further. Because we got to be aware, guys, that the smart money uses things against the average retail investor, and they try to manipulate the retail investors. And they are, I believe, putting this Bitcoin ETF potential approval, they're kind of dangling it like a carrot in front of us to encourage retail buyers to buy in. So we'll see how this unfolds. But Larry Fink's reaction. Larry Fink is the CEO of BlackRock, that basically owns the world to some degree. They basically own the government at this point. They're extremely wealthy. So he was saying that the incident was indicative of the surging interest in cryptocurrencies. Fink stressed an increasing demand and enthusiasm for cryptocurrency investments based on his interactions with their global client base. Looking to the future, he sees cryptocurrency evolving into a key asset for investors, particularly as a safe haven during uncertain economic times. That's interesting that he says that. Okay. So in the meanwhile, we pumped up to 30K, and now we're back down to 28,135, which is still a decent pump. But we will see if we... Looks like we're just about at the week's end. We'll see if we close out the week above 28K. If we do, that's quite bullish. If we look at the daily chart, yesterday we pumped up, and then we're heading back down. Looks like we could, that would be bullish if we end the week around 28K or above that. Let's see what the astrology says. Could this have been predicted with the astrology? Let's take a look. Let's see. If we just look at where the stars are in the sky right now, We do have the moon is opposite Uranus, which brings unpredictability. And we also have Mercury quincunxed Uranus. And this is indicative of, surprising news events that were unpredictable, especially events around technology, because Uranus is the planet of technology. So yeah, I mean, we do see these themes in the astrology. Was this predictable? Not necessarily. All an astrologer could have said is that there could be unexpected events on this day with the moon opposite Uranus there. All right, and then let's look at the Bitcoin chart. So let's look the month of October. I mean, we do all through October, and then also a little bit into November, we have this energy that's falling prey to deception. So question everything. Question what's on the news. Question this whole narrative about the Bitcoin spot ETF. It could just be a narrative that's used to dangle a carrot in front of retail investors. And by the way, it has been just about all year long. So why are they attempting to dangle this carrot in front of retail investors? We may see. It's important to be aware of that potential. We do have, towards the end of the month, very positive energy with Uranus trine the Bitcoin Saturn on the 27th of October. So October could get more and more bullish, especially after the 19th. Oh, wait, actually, never mind. Never mind about that. But just towards the end of the month, it's potentially getting a bit more bullish. Now, on today, when we got this news about this fake Bitcoin spot ETF, we did have this energy of the Sun trine the Bitcoin Neptune, which points towards potential deception and illusions. But just stick to your guns. Neptune represents intuition and spirituality, so just stay aligned with your intuition and what you feel in your heart and what you believe is true on a deep level. Stay true to that. All right. Well, I wonder if there's anything else we could look at. I think that's about it. If you are interested in getting a session with me, there's only 3 sessions left. So definitely, if you feel the call to do that, click the link below and type in the coupon code. There's only 3 left, so jump on that deal. I'm just saying. Okay. Let's see if there's anything else interesting in the news. It's interesting that they're saying the US government has 5 billion in Bitcoin. That's very significant. Oh my God. So the US government is among the largest Bitcoin hodlers with over 5 billion. That is significant. That is very interesting. Let's see if this article has anything interesting. If you guys have any comments, comment below. We are live. So we jumped up to 30K, only to cut the gain by more than a half a few minutes later. I mean, that just is screaming market manipulation. I mean, that's what my intuition is saying. What do you think? What's your intuition saying? What do you think's going on here? All right, I'm not going to sign up for this Bloomberg BS here. All right, well, anyways, thank you for watching. Let me know what you think about this fake spot Bitcoin ETF approval. That really smells of market manipulation here. The SEC immediately declined to appeal earlier during Grayscale case. Are they going to use this example of why they're not going to accept the Bitcoin ETF? Let me know in the comments below, and like and share this video, and subscribe to see more Bitcoin astrology videos where I analyze the Bitcoin astrology chart. I've been 90% accurate this year. If you don't believe me, check out my previous videos where I give proof of that. All right, much love. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.